My name is Sagar Babar. I'm the founder and CEO of GleanTap. We're basically an intelligent customer engagement platform. We sell to fitness and wellness studios. For a startup, we obviously want to get to market as soon as possible, and trying to build every single thing is time-taking and expensive. And I remember looking for something that would avoid us building the whole email editor, and Bee seemed like a really good fit, and we just plugged into it. We white labeled it, and it basically saved us a ton of time. It's been great. Clients love it. They come from products that actually have very subpar email editors. So just coming on to GleanTap and being able to create really good-looking emails, which work perfectly on mobiles and desktops, it's mind-blowing for some of our clients. Bee plugin has saved GleanTap a ton of development time. I used to run a custom software development company, so I know what it takes to really build something like that. 8 to 10 months of development time wouldn't get it to where we are today with that email editor. And it works great. That's the biggest thing. You're not having to deal with issues and bugs, which you would if you're custom developing something like that. So we love it that it's stable, works beautifully for our clients.